Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and install the .NET Framework version 8 from Microsoft. To begin, just open your browser and type www.microsoft.com. On the right side and top, click on search, type .NET Framework space 8 and hit enter. You'll be redirected to this page. Click on download .NET 8.0 Linux, Mac and Windows. At this stage, you might see several versions at 8.0. So you will see 8.04, 8.03. So you can choose which one suits you the most. And once done, just click on it. And before you choose for which operating system, so if you have a Linux, there is only one. If you are Mac operating system, there are two, ARM64 and x64. And for Windows, you have here ARM64 and x64 and x86. If your processor and your computer is 32-bit based computer, then you want to use the x86. If you have a 64-bit processor in your computer, you want to use the x64. To know which one correctly to use, just go to your search bar and type dxdiag and hit enter. Here you will see operating system Windows 7, 8, 10, 11, and you will see 64-bit next to it or 32-bit. So make sure to download. For 64, it's x64, and for 32-bit, it's x86. So we'll just click, we'll be redirected to another page, and then the download will begin. Usually it takes up to 1 or 2 minutes since it's only 223 mega. And once the download is completed, I will show you the next step. As you can see, the download is over. Just open the download folder or where you have saved file. And here, as soon as you see this logo, this little computer with the disk, it means that it's ready to be used. Right click, run as administrator. The user account control panel will appear and will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. After that, it's really straightforward. Just click install. The installation process will begin. You'll be prompted to restart your laptop and then it's done. After that, you can use the .NET Framework 8. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.